guys, so today I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube right here. I'm going to scramble it a little bit more. This is my first cubing video on this channel, and yeah, so I'm going to solve this. So 3, 2, 1, go. I am Dream, not I hate Dream. I'm probably gonna add some music to this. I'm saving how to solve for a different video, and yeah. Okay. By the way, the method I use is the beginner's method because I've only been having a Rubik's Cube for about since December of 2023. And as I'm posting this video, it's almost Easter of 2024. So it's been a couple months. I'm probably gonna use it and get a little bit better with my beginner's methods. I don't want to change it to a whole different method yet because I don't think I'm ready. Okay. And you see me flicking my fingers around. That's called finger tricking. Oh, by the way, credits to, there's a YouTuber that I use this from. I'm not telling you the name, but just credit to that YouTuber. Now it's solved. So that's all, guys. So bye.